Hi friends! Welcome to Distance Learning, week number 3. I hope that you're doing well. If you are ever confused about what you're supposed to be doing for class, please let me know. Some people are working ahead a little bit and already working on their theme paper. Some people are a little bit behind. But if you need anything, just let me know. You can always send me an email. I hope you had a good spring break. I was supposed to go visit my dad in Florida with my sister, and that didn't get to happen, but what do you do? That's okay. This week we only have 4 days of school because technically Monday was still your spring break. So here's what you need to do by this Friday, April 17th. By Friday, your final or your third independent reading novel journal is due. So please make sure you fill out that final section of questions for your reading journal and then submit that by Friday. This is a 75-point assignment and it's summative, so just make sure that you get that done. That's really important. For your theme paper, some people have been a little bit confused about the theme paper, and I think a lot of people thought that they had already started or needed to be started with writing it. Not necessarily. You should have done theme check number 1 already, and I want you to please make sure that you look at your theme check number 1 assignment because I gave feedback to people in that assignment, so that'll help you with your theme paper. I put little note cards in your Schoology assignment. So go back and look at theme check number 1 and look for my feedback. And then please do theme check number 2. That's due by this Friday. Maybe you want to try and get it done sooner than that though, so you can get some feedback and use it to start working on your paper. Theme check number 2 has video directions linked right inside the assignment, so please watch the video directions. That'll help you with doing theme check number 2, and you'll need your feedback from theme check 1 to be able to do theme check 2. If you have questions about that, let me know. This is just a note because some people seemed very confused about what they were supposed to do for the paper. So just to be clear, you have one base theme that you're writing about. So maybe your base theme is love. Then you're going to choose 2 stories that you think have a theme of love. Now your thematic statements that you did in theme check number 1 will both be about love, but they'll be a little bit different depending on the stories that you chose. You can choose 3 stories if you want to. Most people seem like they're going to be choosing 2, which is totally fine. But 2 or 3 story selections that have the same base theme, but a little bit different thematic statements. On Wednesday, I want you to start writing your theme paper. There's a theme paper outline that I want you to look at, and there's also a video linked in the theme paper outline that'll tell you how to be filling out the outline and how this paper will be outlined. So please watch that video. For Thursday, there's a body paragraph example that you should look at, and then there's also video directions for how to do the body paragraph linked in Schoology. So please make sure that you look at this example and watch the video for how you should be doing your body paragraphs of your paper. For Friday, continue working on your theme paper. I want you to submit what you have done so far by Friday. So all I'm really looking for sure is your introduction paragraph to be turned in by Friday. But if you have more than that, great. That would be really awesome because by next Tuesday, you're going to have to submit your first body paragraph at least. So get as much written of your paper as you can this week. Turn in for sure an intro paragraph and I'll give you some feedback so that you can kind of keep going next week and get that done. The plan right now is to have the theme paper due on April 24th. If that changes, I'll let you know right away, but that's the plan for right now. If you have any questions, please let me know. I hope you guys are doing well. I really miss being at school, but hopefully we're making the best of it and staying positive, and hopefully I will talk to you soon. Have a good week.